A fresh NDTV investigation on the ongoing Vyapam scam in Madhya Pradesh. Questions that are now being raised about whether the Shivraj Singh-led BJP government deliberately delayed opting for a CBI probe in the scam, despite many alerts from whistleblowers and questions raised repeatedly in the State Assembly in the past many years. NDTV's Siddharth Ranjan Das has more on this.
आपको अजीब लगेगा, लेकिन एप्रिशिएट करता हूं कि मैंने ये हिम्मत की कि नहीं, पूरी जांच होनी चाहिए और इसलिए इस बात का श्रेय मध्य प्रदेश सरकार को मिलना चाहिए कि अगर गड़बड़ थी तो हमने जांच करवाई और जो गड़बड़ करने वाले हैं उनको कटघरे में खड़ा किया। न्याय तो आगे होगा, लेकिन इसके साथ ही पूरे सिस्टम को भी हमने क्लीन किया, स्वच्छ किया।
Is Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan's claim of discovering irregularities in Madhya Pradesh Professional Examination Board or Vyapam scam really true? Vidhan Sabha records for the last 8 years accessed by NDTV tell a different story. Records show the state government's response to a question in 2009 by an independent MLA on whether irregularities exist was simply that it was gathering information. The Chief Minister then formed a committee to check irregularities in the PMT exams conducted by Vyapam. In 2009, the Chief Minister was also the Medical Education Minister. Another question by another MLA 2 years later on wrongful admissions between 2007 and 2010. The answer, this time by Chief Minister Chauhan himself, was that they had been unable to identify any such candidates. The opposition again raised question on the issue in Vidhan Sabha on 29 November 2011. At that time, the answer had changed. The Chief Minister said 114 such students had been identified as having obtained wrongful admission and the matter was being investigated.
पिछले और अभी मिला के 60 से 70 प्रश्न हो गए अभी तक, पर अभी पिछले विधानसभा सत्रों के प्रश्नों में किसी के उत्तर नहीं मिले। सब में कहा कि जानकारी एकत्रित कर रहे हैं, तो वो इसके बहाने प्रश्नों को आगे बढ़ाते रहते। 6 महीने 8 महीने जानकारी एकत्रित कर रहे हैं। जब उनसे प्रश्न पूछा गया कि आपने 20 जून को ऐसा उत्तर दिया, फिर आपने झूठ क्यों बोला, तो जानकारी एकत्रित कर रहे हैं।
Between July 2011 and June 2013, the Chief Minister received 17 letters questioning the possibility of a scam in medical college admissions. He promised to investigate and report within 30 days. But medical colleges concluded investigations 6 months later and only included students in their probe. More requests for information on exam process from 2007 to 2011 led to more evasive answers, repeatedly.
ध्यान में जब भी कोई गलती दिलाई गई उस पर तत्काल कार्रवाई हुई है। ऐसी कोई भी गलती नहीं है जो ध्यान में आने के बाद कार्रवाई नहीं हुई।
Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the BJP have been claiming that it was the Chief Minister who actually exposed this multi-crore Vyapam scam. But this is quite contrary to the Vidhan Sabha records, which actually say that over 50 times the question of irregularities in the Vyapam scam recruitment was raised in the Vidhan Sabha and no concrete answer was given by the Chief Minister, which makes his role even more suspicious in this multi-crore Vyapam scam. In Bhopal with Abhishek Sharma and camera person Rizwan Khan, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV.